Hi, my dear students. We are going to chapterize concept. The chapter is trigonometry. The topic is periodicity, extreme values, and graphs. So already periodicity concept completed, and the questions on the concept are completed. Now extreme values and graphs. Extreme values means minimum value and maximum value. So the closed interval minimum value to maximum value is called range of the function. So now the question depends upon the range or extreme values. Now the question, that is maximum value of 1 by root 7 sin x plus root 29 cos x plus 7 is first option 30, second option 1, third option 1 by 30, fourth option 49. Now we have to solve this question. First to take denominator, that is root 7 sin x plus root 29 cos x plus 7. Now solution for this, take root 7 sin x plus root 29 cos x plus 7. So rearrange this expression, root 29 cos x plus root 7 sin x plus 7. While comparing with a cos x plus b sin x plus c, where a is equal to root 29 and b is equal to root 7 and c is equal to 7. Now extreme values, minimum value is c minus root a square plus b square, that is 7 minus, first of all, root of a square plus b square. A square is 29, b square is 7. So 29 plus 7, 36. Root 36 is 6. That's why it is 7 minus 6 is 1. Now maximum value is c plus root of a square plus b square, that is 7 plus 6, 13. So 1 less than or equal to root 7 sin x plus root 29 cos x plus 7 less than or equal to 13. Since this expression lies within the interval 1 to 13. Now require reciprocal of this one. Now 1 greater than or equal to. That means if the function we have to write reciprocal, definitely inequality must be changed. That's why 1 greater than or equal to 1 by root 7 sin x plus root 29 cos x plus 7 greater than or equal to 1 by 30. Now we have to rearrange this one. From this 1 by 13 less than or equal to 1 by root of 1 by root to 7 sin x plus root 29 cos x plus 7 less than or equal to 1. That's why here minimum value 1 by 30, maximum value 1. Now required maximum value of the given function. Maximum value of the given function is 1. That's why that is in second option. That's all. So for this expression, minimum value 1, maximum value 13. Reciprocal expression, minimum value 1 by 13, maximum value 1. Now the required value 1. 1 is the right answer. That's all. Okay. Now the next question, the minimum and the maximum values of sin x plus pi by 4 into sin x minus pi by 4 are first option minus 1, minus 1 comma 1, and second option minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2, third option minus 3 by 2 comma 3 by 2, and fourth option minus 1 by 4 comma 1 by 4. Now we have to solve this question. Now we have to take the expression, that is, now take the expression sin x plus pi by 4 into sin x minus pi by 4. So this will comparing sin A sin B. If there is 2, then 2 sin A sin B. The formula for 2 sin A sin B is nothing but cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. That's why we have to divide and multiply by 2 here. Then 1 by 2 times of 2 sin x plus pi by 4 into sin x minus pi by 4. That's all. For this one we know one formula, that is 2 sin A sin B is equal to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. That's all. According to this form, we have to write this one. This is it is cos A minus B x plus pi by 4 minus x plus pi by 4 minus cos x plus pi by 4 plus x minus pi by 4. Since cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, here it is 1 by 2 times of cos, here x gets cancelled, cos pi by 2. Since pi by 4 plus pi by 4 is pi by 2, here x gets cancelled. And minus cos, here pi by 4 gets cancelled, x plus x, 2x. That's all. Now cos 90 is 0. That's why 1 by 2. Cos pi by 2, that is 0, minus cos 2x. That's all. Now this is minus 1 by 2 times of cos 2x. Actually we know that minus 1 less than or equal to cos Ax less than or equal to 1. So cos Ax lies within the interval minus 1 to 1. That's why here minus 1 less than or equal to cos 2x less than or equal to 1. Now multiply with negative, then it is 1 greater than or equal to minus cos 2x greater than or equal to minus 1. Now we have to rearrange this one. Now minus 1 less than or equal to minus cos 2x less than or equal to 1. Now divide by 2, then it is minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to minus 1 by 2 cos 2x less than or equal to 1 by 2. That's why minimum value minus 1 by 2, minimum value of the function minus 1 by 2, and maximum value of the function 1 by 2. That's why the range of, that means minimum comma maximum values of the function is equal to minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. That's why minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 are the minimum and maximum values of the function. That's why that is in second option. Second option is the right answer. So minimum value and maximum value minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. That's all. Now we are going to next question. Now the next question is sin theta sin 60 minus theta sin 60 plus theta belongs to closed minus k to k, that implies k is equal to. That means we have to identify the range of this one. This represents range minus k to k. Closed minus k to k is the range of this one. This is the minimum value, this is the maximum value. Now we have to identify the value of k. So take the expression first of all. Solution for this. Take the expression, that is sin theta sin 60 minus theta into sin 60 plus theta. Now formula for this one is 1 by 4 sin 3 theta. That's all. Formula for this one is 1 by 4 sin 3 theta. So we know that minus 1 less than or equal to sin A theta less than or equal to 1. That's why sin lies within the interval minus 1 to 1. Minimum value of sin is minus 1. Maximum value of sin function is 1. Now that's why here minus 1 less than or equal to sin 3 theta less than or equal to 1. Now divide by 4. then it gives minus 1 by 4 less than or equal to 1 by 4 sine 3 theta less than or equal to 1 by 4. Suppose if it is taken as theta, f of theta, that's why minus 1 by 4 less than or equal to f of theta less than or equal to 1 by 4. So f of theta belongs to minus 1 by 4 to 1 by 4. So given there it is minus k to k. That's why the value of k is 1 by 4. Now, so options are not given. So I will give options here. Now the first option, I will give options. So options are there. First option 1 by 2, second option 1 by 3, third option 1 by 4 and fourth option 3 by 4. Now k value is 1 by 4, that is in third option. That's all. Now we are going to one more question, depends upon this concept. We are going to the next question. The range of 3 sine square x plus 4 is first option closed 0 to 7 and second option closed 4 to 7 and third option closed 4 to 12 and fourth option closed 3 to 4. That means closed interval minimum value to maximum value is nothing but a range of the function. That's why we have to identify the range of this function 3 sine square x plus 4. Now we have to take the expression 3 sine square x plus 4. Actually we know that sine square x minimum value 0, maximum value 1. That's why sine square x lies within the interval 0 to 1. That's why we know that 0 less than or equal to sine square x less than or equal to 1. So for this multiply with 3. 0 less than or equal to 3 sine square x less than or equal to 3. Now add 4 on both sides. That's why 4 plus 0 less than or equal to 4 plus 3 sine square x less than or equal to 4 plus 3. That's why it is 4 less than or equal to 3 sine square x plus 4 less than or equal to 7. That's why range of this function minimum value to maximum value. So range of 3 sine square x plus 4 is closed 4 to 7. So that is the second option. That's all. So that is the range. Range of the function is closed 4 to 7. That's all. Okay. Now we are going to the next question, that is the range of sine square theta plus the cos of 4 theta is first option 1 by 4 comma 1 and second option closed 3 by 4 comma 1 and third option closed minus 3 by 4 to 0 and fourth option closed minus 1 by 4 to 1. Now take the expression that is sine square theta plus cos power 4 theta. This sine square theta from identity 1 minus cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta. We have to take common minus cos square theta from these two. So remaining 1 minus cos square theta. That's why here it is cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sine square theta. Right. Now we have to divide and multiply by 4 here. That's why 1 by 4 into 4 times of sine square theta cos square theta. We know that 2 sine theta cos theta whole square is nothing but the sine square 2 theta. That's why it is sine square 2 theta. 1 minus 1 by 4 sine square 2 theta. Actually we know that sine square function lies within the interval 0 to 1. The minimum value of sine square function is 0 and the maximum value is 1. That's why 0 less than or equal to sine square k theta less than or equal to 1. That's why here 0 less than or equal to sine square 2 theta less than or equal to 1. Now multiply with minus 1 by 4. So multiply with negative, then inequality must be changed. 0 greater than or equal to minus 1 by 4 sine square 2 theta greater than or equal to minus 1 by 4. Now we have to rearrange this equation, that is minus 1 by 4 less than or equal to minus 1 by 4 sine square 2 theta less than or equal to 0. Add 1 on both sides since required 1 minus 1 by 4 sine square 2 theta. That's why 1 minus 1 by 4 less than or equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 sine square 2 theta less than or equal to 1. Since 0 plus 1 is 1. Now here it is 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 less than or equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 sine square 2 theta less than or equal to 1. That's why the required range of the function, required range, that is closed minimum to maximum. Minimum is 3 by 4 and maximum is 1. That's why range of the function is closed 3 by 4 to 1. That's all. Now we are going to one more question. Now the next question, that is range of sine power 6x plus cos power 6x is the first option minus 1 by 4 to 1, second option 1 by 4 to 1, that means third option closed minus 3 by 4 to 1, and fourth option closed 3 by 4 to 1. Now we have to identify the answer, solve the question. So take the expression, that is sine power 6x plus cos power 6x. This can be write sine square x whole cube plus cos square x whole cube. So we know that the formula a cube plus b cube. What is that formula? A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. That's all. So according to this formula, a is sine square x, b is cos square x. Now we have to expand this sine square x plus cos square x whole cube, since a cube plus b cube is nothing but a plus b whole cube minus 3ab. A is sine square x and b is cos square x, 3ab into a plus b. A is sine square x, b is cos square x, that's why a plus b this is. Now sine square x plus cos square x is 1, so 1 cube minus 3 sine square x into cos square x. Now this is 1. That's why here 1 minus, here we have to divide and multiply by 4, then 3 by 4, 4 sine square x cos square x. That's why we know that 4 sine square x cos square x is nothing but sine square 2x. That's why it is 1 minus 3 by 4 sine square 2x. So we know that sine square 2x lies within the interval 0 to 1. That's why 0 less than or equal to sine square 2x less than or equal to 1. Now multiply with minus 3 by 4 for this one. Then it is 0 into minus 3 by 4, that is 0, and that implies, so 0 greater than or equal to, since multiply with negative, inequality must be changed, minus 3 by 4 sine square 2x greater than or equal to minus 3 by 4. That's all. Now add 1 on both sides, since required 1 minus the 3 by 4 sine square 2x. Add 1 on both sides for this one. Then here we get, that is now we have to rearrange this one. So this is minus 3 by 4 less than or equal to minus 3 by 4 sine square 2x less than or equal to 0. Now I add 1 on both sides, then 1 minus 3 by 4 less than or equal to 1 minus 3 by 4 sine square 2x less than or equal to 1, since 1 plus 0. That's why it is 1 by 4 less than or equal to 1 minus 3 by 4 sine square 2x less than or equal to 1. That's why the range of the function is 1 by 4 to 1. So required range, that is closed 1 by 4 to 1. So that is in second option. That's all. So range of the given function is 1 by 4 to 1. That's all. Now we are going to next question. Now we are going to the next question. Range of 4 sine square x plus 5 cos square x plus 6 is. First option closed 9 to 10. Second option closed 10 to 11. Third option closed 11 to 12. And fourth option closed 12 to 13. Now take the expression, that is the function 4 sine square x plus 5 cos square x plus 6. Actually from multiple and submultiple angles, we know that sine square x is 1 minus cos 2x whole by 2. And cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x whole by 2. That's all. That's why it is 4 times of 1 minus cos 2x whole by 2 plus 5 times of 1 plus cos 2x whole by 2. Now simplify this. So 4 2's gets cancelled, here it is. That's why here there is 2. 2 into 1 minus cos 2x plus 5 by 2 into take 2, it is 5 by 2 into 1 plus cos 2x plus 6. Now multiply with 2 minus 2 cos 2x plus 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2 cos 2x plus 6. That's all. So after simplification, here 5 by 2 plus 2 is 9 by 2, and here it is 5 by 2 cos 2x minus 2 cos 2x is 1 by 2 cos 2x plus 6 is there. 6 plus 9 by 2 is 21 by 2. That's all. Now for this function we have to identify the range. Actually we know that cos 2x lies within the interval minus 1 to 1. So minus 1 less than or equal to cos 2x less than or equal to 1. So multiply with the 1 by 2, then minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to 1 by 2 cos 2x less than or equal to 1 by 2. Now add 21 by 2. Since 21 by 2 addition of this function, that's why add 21 by 2, then 21 by 2 minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to 21 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos 2x less than or equal to 21 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So 21 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is nothing but 20 by 2. Now this is 22 by 2. So this is 10 and 11. So minimum value is 10, maximum value is 11. Now the range of the function, that means required range of the function, range is 10 to 11. Close 10 to 11 is the range of the function. That's all. Now we are going to next question. Now the next question, range of sin square 60 plus x plus sin square 60 minus x is first option 1 by 2, 3 by 2. Close it 1 by 2 to 3 by 2. Second option close it minus 1 by 2 to 3 by 2. And this is minus 3 by 2 to 1 by 2. And fourth option 0 to 1 by 2. That's all. Now this one, according to identity, this can be right 1 minus cos square 60 plus x. And take common minus. Then this is in the form of cos square a minus sin square b. That is cos a plus b into cos a minus b. According to that we get 1 minus cos 120 cos 2x. Actually cos 120 is nothing but minus 1 by 2 minus 1 plus 1 by 2. That's why 1 plus 1 by 2 cos 2x. So for this we have to identify the range. So cos 2x lies within the interval minus 1 to 1. So multiply with the minus 1 by 2 and add 1. Then we get range of this function is 1 by 2 to 3 by 2. That is in first option. That's why first option is the right answer for this question. Now I will give practicing questions. You can practice the questions. Depends upon these models. Okay, I will give the practicing questions. Now practicing questions, range of 4 plus 2 cos square 5x. So this is the answer. And range of sin power 4x plus cos power 4x. This is the answer. And range of 4 cos x square cos pi by 3 plus x square cos pi by 3 minus x square. That means this is in the form of 4 cos theta cos 60 plus theta cos 60 minus theta. This is answer. This model and this model. Okay, you can do all the questions. Okay, bye bye.